Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm excited to unbox Ipsy again with you. I think it's probably been 2 or 3 years since I've done an Ipsy, and we're getting into spring summer. I'm ready to get some more makeup in my Rolodex, so here we go. Ipsy. You get 5 items, samples or full size for $10. It's super cheap. It always comes in their signature pink bag, and it's once a month. You always get a bag like this one. Oh, so cute. I have no idea what's inside though. I had Ipsy for a couple of years and canceled it because I ended up with too much stuff. But now it's been canceled for a couple of years, so I'm ready for more stuff. All right. It looks like I got Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It's a cute little bottle. I got Mulberry Cream Pigment by Hikari. I don't know how to say all these fancy names. Eyeshadow. It's a fun color, although I have so much purple. Must be my hair. People always send me purple. Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Ooh, yeah. It's a primer, but it doesn't have SPF. I don't know. This one is EYEKO. Ico. Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in Wide Lash. Looks like something I'm going to like using whenever I put my fall sleeves on. And then lastly, Pretty Woman Nail Polish. Oh, looks like my box got a little squished. In Berry Wild. Oh, that's cute. I mean, I don't paint my nails anymore. But if I start doing it again, this is a cute color. So there are my 5 items. Here is my bag. So as you can see, they say it could be samples or full size. I would assume these guys are full size and these are samples, just from looking at them. Then this talks about the products that are in the bag. And then the back of it says, build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want every month on the 2nd, starting at 6 a.m. You'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you like. I don't think they had this back in the day whenever I was doing it. So you can add onto your bag. So there you go. If you have a specific product that they have that you want to try, something you have used in the past that you love, go grab it. That sounds like a killer deal. Ipsy, thank you. Still love it. This is super cute. I'm going to try to unbox several of these over the next couple of months for you guys so that you can take a look and see if Ipsy's a match for you. 5 items, a custom bag, and $10. Might as well give it a try. I will link up below YouTubers, so check that out, and I will throw some stuff on my blog so that you can click and subscribe through me, which makes me happy. Okay, guys, y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.